Otherwise, you're going to be sending a different message. Yeah, well, they actually put the dots.
Yeah, what I mean is in the picture and all that.
Oh yeah. Oh heck yeah. Okay. Yeah, we don't get to take pictures standing any closer, will we?
Check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Check 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Support the mayor who makes the presentation. Say thank you for all of my district.
You want it closer? Check. Is that better? Check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The level's okay? Okay. Can you put it on? Check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Mic check. Test 1 2 3 4. Okay, stand by.
Is the light in the afternoon better here than it is on that side? Is that it? I see.
Okay, check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Check 1 2 3 4. Oh, you're doing. Okay, check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Mic check 1 2 3 4. Mic check. Okay, thank you, Keith.
Good morning. Thank you.
No, I got it. No, you don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about that. You got plenty of stuff going on right now. Well, that's just part of the uniform.
I brought one. For tonight. I don't know. The shape.
Jake, you tell me when you're ready. We'll start at 2. 2 o'clock? Okay, gotcha. Oh, yeah, we got 10 minutes. Yep, we got 10 minutes.
Okay. Joe, do you want? Okay.
Oh.
Let's take a picture.
He's with Goldman Sachs.
Oh, is he? Yeah. I'm not sure Goldman really has their, pulse, finger on the pulse of the market like I do. But
Yeah, that 2 trillion that they've got in the market just on their own account.
yeah, I don't think this is the last day I don't think we've seen the last day of big drops. In fact,
They drop again today.
No, it's up.
Yeah.
I got some money waiting to get in, some client money who are dying to get back in. Well, it was up about 800. Now it's only up 160.
It's so volatile right now. You could flip a coin based on what it is.
It's spam. Oh, do I have? Maybe I can text it to you.
Okay, yeah.
Because I might have. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see. How do I? How do I send my?
I didn't bring mine
I have
down.
a V card of my own.
Um, yeah.
Oh, here it is. Share contact.
get somebody, let's get somebody right here.
OK。
Let's get somebody right
来
here.，
谁愿意在这上面？谁有？这帮有那个
遗忘
你忘来，
上来吧
你们谁站在后站着一个？
站那个
这
speaker 上面，
在这。
我高呀，我应该站矮。
你站这前，那你在这儿，
高。
没事，你站更高的地方更好了。
谁在这？
Here.
好，在这。
There.
OK。
对，speaker 就在这儿，看，
哎，你让你太太站那，你到上面站。
没事。
他在这个位置
不，。他需要站 sticker，你把那个位置给你太太站。
他有个
哦，OK。sticker，就找 sticker，这是 sticker。我站哪？你站到那。
Jake, is this you?
对，这儿有 speaker。
The lady over here.
找好自己的位置。
Jake, how's the sound? Is it okay? Okay, fine. Good afternoon. I'm Sugar Land Mayor Joe Zimmerman. I'm joined today by my colleague, District 3 Council Member Stuart Jacobson. On behalf of the City of Sugar Land, I want to thank you for joining us today as we make a special announcement. We are thrilled to be joined today by the Together We Are Stronger Coalition, who is donating $33,733 worth of medical supplies to the City of Sugar Land to help battle COVID-19. The Together We Are Stronger Coalition was launched in March of this year and includes J.J. Clements Volunteer Team, the Asian Chamber of Commerce, the Houston Chinese Alliance, the Peking University Alumni Association of Houston, the Texas Guangdong Association, the We Care Foundation, the Houston Tsinghua Alumni Association, JTech Digital, David Du Foundation, Houston Shanghai Association, Sino Professionals Association, Qingshan Association USA, Talent Academy, Houston Chan Yu Association, the Oriental Arts Education Center, the Sun Yat-sen University Alumni Association in South U.S., the Zhejiang Association of Southern USA, the Greater Houston Jiangsu Association, the United Association of Chinese Alumni in Greater Houston area, and the Hunan Club of Houston. The purpose of the donation is to benefit hospitals, police departments, fire departments, veterans, senior citizens, those most at risk and most in need, and other critical service communities in the greater Houston area who are most at risk of the COVID-19 virus. I am joined today by J.J. Clements with the J.J. Clements Volunteer Team, Ben Yu with the Asian Chamber of Commerce, Grace Kang with the We Care Foundation, Naomi Yang with the Peking University Alumni Association of Houston, Jun Liu with the Houston Shanghai Association, Eileen Huang with the Sino Professional Association, Melvin Menendez with J.J. Clements, Yonid Shen with the Asian Chamber of Commerce, Addie Clements with the J.J. Clements Volunteer Team, Connie Ruan with the Qingshan Association USA, and Hatem Alajar with JJ. As you know, COVID-19 is a serious health threat. And the spread of the community, and the community spread is occurring in our area. Our city staff have been working around the clock in the Emergency Ops Center to make sure that our community and our employees are protected. It's a top priority during this time, the safety of our community, the well-being of our employees, and the continued delivery of essential services to the citizens of Sugar Land. That's what makes this donation so special. The coalition is donating the following supplies, which will protect our first responders and essential personnel as they work to protect us. 10,465 masks, 490 goggles, 200 isolation gowns, 200 face shields, 200 bottles of hand sanitizer, and 90 pieces of face shield protection. These supplies will be utilized as we continue our efforts to flatten the curve in Sugar Land. I'd now like to invite a few members of the coalition up to make some brief remarks. First is going to be Miss J.J. Clements. J.J.?
Thank you, Mayor, and thank you everyone for having us today. COVID-19 impacts everyone's life. Together, We're Stronger Coalition was launched because we firmly believe that we're all in this together. We're equally getting impacted by this disease. Whether we're Asian American, Hispanic American, European American, African American, we're all proud Americans. We're one family. We are strongest when we stand together. COVID-19 is an invisible, deadly threat and threatens each one of us regardless of our background. We should equally united as a friends, family, neighbors, and citizens in confronting it. Because when Americans united, there's no adversity that we cannot overcome. There's a time for unity of purpose and decisive action. Together, we're stronger. Thank you.
And now I'd like to ask Ben Yu with the Asian Chamber of Commerce to come to the podium.
Thank you, Mayor. On behalf of the Asian Chamber, we have 300 business owners and many Asian American business owners, and we are very proud to be part of this, to donate these PPE items to the hospitals and the first responders in City Sugar Land. And we are very proud to be part of this, and we want to, we have more than 30 volunteers. They're busy every day. We have 3-4 events every week to donating and also provide services to City Sugar Land, City Pearland, City of Houston, Galveston, many fire stations, police stations. We have many events a week, and in the past 4 or 5 weeks, and we want to being a American, Asian American, or a Chinese American, and we want to deliver a very clear message that we are the part of the solutions, and we work together. And our campaign that we called Together We're Stronger. Thank you very much.
And finally, I'd like to ask Ms. Grace Kang with the We Care Foundation. Grace?
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Grace Kang, the founder and president of We Care Foundation, which is a U.S. registered nonprofit organization initiated by a group of middle and high school students. Thank you for providing me this opportunity to share with you the mission and vision of our foundation. In the past month, We Care Foundation has sent out thousands of medical supplies to clinics, hospitals, police stations, and fire departments, and the most infected areas of the USA, including Sugar Land and Houston. We are also currently working on a charity plan for seniors and offering free tutoring services for children in need. I would like to appreciate JJ Clemens' volunteer team for inviting us as their partner to participating in this charity event. Let us work together and make this world better. Together, we are stronger. Thank you.
Thank you, Grace, Ben, and JJ. Thank you all. I want to express my sincerest thanks to JJ today for coordinating today's donation and the entire Together We Are Stronger coalition. I encourage others who are able to give back to the community during this time. The city is still accepting donations, non-N95 masks that can be used to keep our essential employees safe as they continue their quest with so many vital city operations. And we are also asking those in our community with sewing abilities to donate cloth masks such as this. It's being modeled by Miss Cindy Dees right there in the back. She has one that are crafted following the CDC's guidelines to be used by our staff that are continuing to serve our residents. Your donations will help ensure that we keep Sugar Land's employees and our community safe. For more information about how you can make a donation or to coordinate your donation, please, if you're in Sugar Land, please call 311 if you're within the city limits of Sugar Land, or you can call 281-275-2900 outside the city limits. You can also email 311@sugarlandtx.gov. And for a full list of the items that we're accepting as donations, you can visit www.sugarlandtx.gov/donate to SL Sugarland. Your donations are sincerely appreciated. It's only with the generosity and thoughtfulness of our community that we will get through this unprecedented time and continue to be the great city and community that we are. Thank you.